Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I have explained about IPO cycle. I stands for input, P stands for process and O stands for output. Watch the video. If you find it useful, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Chapter number 3, that is how does a computer work. कंप्यूटर कैसे काम करता है? There are 3 steps. First is input, second is process and third is output. In short, we call it as IPO cycle. First of all, we will see how in real life IPO cycle works. Then we will see how it works in computer. So students, you can see 2 examples of real life as shown in figure. First example, let us understand these steps by taking an example of our body. When a teacher asks a question, we hear from our ears and see with our eyes. तो ईयर और आईज क्या हुआ? इनपुट, क्योंकि हम कान से सुन रहे हैं जो हमारी टीचर बोल रही है और आंख से देख रहे हैं कि टीचर कैसे एक्शन के साथ बोल रही है. तो हमने इनपुट किसकी मदद से लिया? ईयर्स एंड आईज की मदद से. नाउ our brain stores everything that a teacher says in class. हमारी टीचर हमको क्लास में डेली का डेली जो पढ़ाती है वो कहाँ जाके स्टोर होता है? ब्रेन में. When we come to school next day, she asks a question from you. Then your brain thinks of an answer and order us to speak. In this way, brain is working like a processing unit. और फाइनली जब आंसर आ जाता है, वी आंसर विद आवर माउथ. सो इट वर्क्स लाइक एन आउटपुट यूनिट. नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, very easy example. Now you want to make some clay toys. So to make clay toys, what will be your input? Clay toy किससे बनेगा? Clay से. So input is clay. Process, अब आप उसको बनाओगे and finally what is output? Your toy is ready which is made up of clay. Now one more easy example. You all like mango shake very much and it is one of your favorite shake, I think so. So you ask your mother that mama, I want mango shake. So to make mango shake, what is the first step she will do? She will take mango pulp, sugar and milk, because these 3 ingredients are required to make mango shake. So what is input? Mango pulp, sugar and milk. Now what is the next step? She will put all the ingredients in mixer grinder and blend it. It is processing. Now your delicious mango shake is ready to drink. That is output. Now we will see practically how shake is prepared and what is IPO. So it will be more clear to you. When your mother prepare a glass of banana shake for you, how does she go about it? Step number 1, input. First she puts the peeled bananas, milk and sugar into the blender. This is input. Step number 2, process. Next step, she switches on the blender. The blades of the blender rotate and mix the banana, sugar and milk. This is process. Now step number 3, output. Finally a delicious banana shakes come out of the blender and ready for drinking. This is the output. In the same way, to do any work in a computer, you have to follow these simple steps: input, process and output. This is known as IPO cycle. I for input, P for process and O for output. Working of a computer. Input. The input consists of the data and instructions we put into the computer using keyboard. Processing is done by the CPU, Central Processing Unit, which is the brain of computer, and the result we get after processing is called output, which is displayed in monitor. Now I will explain you working of a computer with an example. Input. Input I had given numbers 1, 2 and दोनों को ऐड करने के लिए हमें प्लस सिंबल चाहिए. तो इनपुट क्या हुआ? 1, 2 एंड प्लस सिंबल. प्रोसेस. नाउ ऐड 1 + 2. हम कहाँ से सोच के आंसर देते हैं? ब्रेन से. व्हाट इज द ब्रेन ऑफ कंप्यूटर? CPU. Then output. Output is 1 + 2 = 3, which is displayed on monitor. Hope you all have clearly understood IPO cycle. Input, process and output. We have learnt in this topic. That's all in computer lesson today. Hope you all have enjoyed learning this lesson. Bye students and take care.